Well, folks in southeastern Alaska have been battling unprecedented weather conditions as a flood advisory extended into today. It was set to expire last night, but we have more heavy rain increasing the risk of not only flooding, but avalanches. Look at this video coming in from Friday out of Mount Juneau in Alaska. Now, Juneau received an extraordinary 94 inches of snow since December 1st, nearly 4 times the historical average for that period. In December, I think 18 inches is about the average snow Juneau would experience. But I mean, to best that up into the 90-inch range is impressive. And now we've flipped the script entirely. We have this avalanche evacuation advisory that's in place until further notice, especially including Juneau at the base of the Coast Mountains, where local emergency officials are saying that all slide paths are at a high risk for avalanches. They have resources pre-positioned in the event that this happens. The reason being is because we've replaced all of the cold and snow with a much warmer fire hose of rain, and it continues to rain. You can see the next slug pushing through over the last 4 hours. We had a very active Gulf of Alaska, these areas of low pressure that continue to tap into the atmospheric river that was pointed north into the Canadian coastline up into the far southeast coast of Alaska. So through tonight on into tomorrow, expecting more rain. We do see snow at the higher elevations of the Coast Mountains, but through the Panhandle, another slug expected as we go through the day Tuesday, which will amount to an additional perhaps 3 to 5+ inches of rain, that falling on top of the snow. We've already had incredible amounts of flooding in the area. Here is a look at the current setup and the situation that we have going on. Now, this big ridge of high pressure building on the west coast, it's been responsible for the Santa Ana winds blowing down into Southern California. Now, this high is slowly shifting southwest, still anchored over the west coast, but with this slight shift to the southwest, it's allowed this atmospheric river, which was previously pointed due north, is now beginning to shift a little further down the coast. So that brings moisture back into the coast of Washington, where we have rain falling right now. Now, the core of this energy is still pointed north, though spots like Seattle, the Olympic range, especially on the windward side, so that's going to be flowing up the mountains, right? That's what's going to bring us our best shot at some, well, pretty decent rain over the course of the next 2 days. But much of the Cascades, I mean, we're missing out on all of the moisture as it lifts still up and over into Canada. And the rain potential is most likely going to be felt into the higher elevations of the Olympics and perhaps through the foothills of the Cascades. Snow levels are well above 7,000 feet, but this is a region that's been saturated, and so we're still eyeing up some of our river gauges that could start to see at least a little minor to moderate flooding. And then really the big story here is just the snow melt that's expected. With the warmer system yet again, we are expecting to see heavy rain and warmer temperatures